Welcome to St. John Church in Madaba. This historic church is believed to have been built in the 6th century AD, making it one of the oldest Christian churches in Jordan. The church is famous for its floor mosaics, which date back to the early Byzantine period. The mosaics depict various scenes from the Bible, including the tree of Jesse, which is a representation of the genealogy of Jesus Christ. The mosaic map of the Holy Land, which is located in the church's narthex, is particularly noteworthy. The map is the oldest known geographic representation of the Holy Land and provides an interesting glimpse into the historical understanding of the region. The church is also known for its beautiful architecture, which is a blend of Byzantine, Roman and Umayyad styles. The use of colored stones and intricate patterns in the church's construction make it a truly remarkable sight to behold. I hope you enjoy your visit to St. John Church and take the time to appreciate the rich history and art contained within its walls. Thank you for visiting.